In the current demonstration, we use the standard statistical tables for the normal distribution in order to look up the value of the first quartile of the distribution. Here's the table. The table in its main area has the probability, that means the area under the normal curve corresponding to a given z-score. The entire area under the normal curve is 1 and the curve is symmetric. Therefore, the value of z equal to 0 gives me the probability exactly 0.5. This means that I need to decrease z into the negative values in order to achieve the probability being equal to 0.25. Note that in this exercise I'm performing the inverse lookup. That means for a given value of the probability I need to look up the z-score. The easier way to use the tables is if the z-score is given, I get the value of the probability. The table is organized as follows. The z-score is both in the first row and in the first column of the table. The first two most significant digits of the z-score are in the column, and the remaining two digits are in the row. The main area of the table has the probabilities. Hence, I need to find the value of 0.25 somewhere within this region. I shall follow the following strategy. I will find the value the closest to 0.25 in the first column of the table. The value is either 0.2420 or 0.2743. As you see, 0.25 is between these two values. Now, the z-score corresponding to 0.2743 is negative 0.6. As I go down this row, that means I'm decreasing the value of z into the more negative values. The value of the probability drops and eventually it reaches 0.25 somewhere between these two numbers. Therefore, the z-score that I'm interested in, the first quartile of the distribution, is somewhere between negative 0.67 and negative 0.68. I shall record the values that are of interest. I shall record them in a separate spreadsheet for future use. I copy the values, open an Excel spreadsheet, I paste the values, and unfortunately they go in the same cell, so I shall use simple cut and paste to distribute them across two rows. I insert another column in order to record the corresponding z values. And I insert a row in order to label the values. Z and P for probability. I save the spreadsheet. This ends the current demonstration.